The design that we are about to present to you is a tool that makes the life of elderly people with impaired mobility a lot easier. 19.8% of the Dutch population is older than 65, and 1 in 5 elderly people are restricted in freedom of movement. This is a huge concern. Reaching out to grab something from a shelf or even on the ground can be very hard for this specific group. There are a lot of grabbing sticks on the market. The problem with these sticks is that they do not take into account that there can be a huge torque on the user's wrist. We are going to create a grabbing stick that gives the user an easier and less painful solution for grabbing something. Our design has a complicated system that interacts with the user. Also, the mechanics behind the movement of the rod are difficult. A balance has to be found between optimal mechanics and user input. We will discuss our 3 designs: telescopic reach, harmonic reach, and rigid reach. Telescopic reach uses a telescopic rod movement. This is not ideal since the length of the forearm differs per person. Harmonic reach uses a harmonic system to move the rod. However, this design is unstable because of the turning points which make it unsafe. Rigid reach is our chosen design. Rigid reach uses a gear reel that the rod will move over. This ensures that you can create more length in a safe and stable way. Rigid reach is innovative since it takes multiple aspects in concern. It reduces the force on the wrist, supports the user's hands, and lets the user know when the grabber actually grabs something. Coen will now tell you more about our project Rigid Reach.
Created using Powtoon.